Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William in India. So the last day of the week, June 17th, and I think a lot of you might be waiting for this day because we want this week to complete as fast as possible and want some positive development to happen over the weekend. So see, if you look at the Nifty's chart, uh, there was a very strong support zone somewhere around 15,450, 15,500. So yes, this was a very strong support zone if you can follow my annotation. And so a couple of times, once over here, again at this point of time, and for last three sessions also, if you don't consider yesterday's session, वहाँ पे support मिला था. And there was a hope, which is not a good thing in market, that okay, this was a very strong support zone, 52-week low के around Nifty can get a support. But yesterday there was a strong reversal. यहाँ से पूरा रिवर्स कर दिया and it closed near the day's low and at a new 52-week low as well. So yeah, technically very weak. We continue to remain in a downtrend. So we are in a downtrend and under. So we were in under pressure, then under downtrend. फिर हम rally attempt में आए, but हमने fresh entry अभी start ही नहीं किया, right? So there were a lot of discussion around कि हाँ we are not still entering. जो ये वाला पूरा move आया था निफ्टी का कि right from here there was around 700 800 points move in just 3 days, but at market Smith we didn't enter the market at that time also because we didn't find volume that sufficient to get a follow through day and get a fresh entry. So that's why we avoided position at that time, and so that had helped save the capital of a lot for us. So now we will be waiting for C to let the potential bottom form कि यहाँ से अभी अगर हमको rally attempt में जाना है, ठीक है, if we want to go from downtrend to rally attempt, then we will wait for Nifty to establish the potential bottom, or the first day it closes in green or in the upper half of the day's range, then we will consider it day one of a RA. और अगर डे 1 to 3 3 दिन ऐसा होल्ड कर जाता है तो रिसेंट लो को, देन वी विल शिफ्ट टू डाउन ट्रेंड टू रैली अटेम्प्ट एंड देन विल बी वेटिंग फॉर फॉलो थ्रू डे. Okay, so if we look at the key news, so again, Bank of England raised the benchmark lending rate by 25 bips to 1.25%, and now it's at highest level since 2009. So the story remains same across US, India, uh, European countries and all. The Bank of Japan, but that they have kept the rates unchanged. So these are the two updates on the global central banks. Now, if you look at the LIC, so yesterday also they increased the stakes in some companies. Today also they increased the stake in Reddy's Lab to 5.65% as of June 15 from 3.64% as of September 3 at an average price of 4670. So they are increasing the stake in some of the companies. So here there is an update for the telecom stocks. Again, Jio continues to add subscribers. 16.8 lakh subscribers in April they added, taking the count above 40 crore. And Bharti Airtel also added some 8 lakh customer, but that's less compared to the Jio. And their total count is almost there was similar to Jio, but now their Jio is having 4 crore more customers. And as always, Idea continues to lose around 15.7 lakh customer. So yesterday FII is sold in Indian equity around 30 to 3300 crore. So that is common कि हाँ FII बेच दिया. अभी देखना ये होता है कि कितना बेचा. And yes, DI continues its buying spree, 1900 crore का लिया. So that is something, but not able to help the market to sustain क्योंकि FII का continuous selling है. If you look at the global market, Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, again 2.5 to 4% का fall. The Kospi and Nikkei index 1 to 2% down, and Shanghai Hang Seng flat. Not much change as far as the Brent US bond yield and the dollar to rupee conversion is concerned. It's something around 78 level. So if you look at the SGX today, it indicates a muted opening, not non-major gap down today expected. But let's see what happens at opening, because I took this data at 8:33, and very volatile nowadays. That what happens after opening, what will happen. So yesterday also opening was very good. यहाँ 800 के ऊपर ले गए, ऐसा लग रहा था कि डाउ और नास्डेक भी अच्छा क्लोज हुआ कि हाँ सब कुछ होल्ड करेगा, but then everything fell up. So if we track around 25 developed and developing market, so out of this 25 developed market, so अगर लास्ट वीक आप देखें 10th जून को 5 were in a confirm uptrend, 11 under pressure, ठीक है, और उसके पहले की वीक में 3rd जून को 16 were in a confirm uptrend. But now the scenario has completely changed. 20 countries are in a downtrend out of 24. So 20 are in a downtrend. Just three are under pressure, and only one is in confirmed uptrend. So the globally the sell-off is very sharp, and it's not like that someone is holding up, but the entire all the developed market, as well as if you look at the developing market also, yes, here also from 15 in confirm uptrend, now we are down to just 4, and I think soon in 1 or 2 days these will also fall into, these can also fall into the pressure category, and almost 10 are in a downtrend, and India is over here in a downtrend market. So yes, develop, emerging, all the markets are falling. So best thing is to stick to your rules. Do not try to catch the falling knife. अभी bottom मिला ही नहीं है तो तुम bottom predict करना is not a good thing according to O'Neill. So wait for some technical setup, wait for some global situations to improve, and after that only, like you should enter the stock whenever it is breaking out of a early stage basis. Till then, if you are holding a position and it is deeply going down, then do not continue to take up the losses. Not an ideal thing to do. So that's it for today's pre-bell with O'Neill. See you tomorrow, same time. Sorry, see you on Monday, same time. Have a happy weekend.